Have you ever wondered what it takes to reach those goals that seem so distant? Well, today, we're going to uncover the secrets to unlocking your potential and becoming an inspiration to others. Success is not something that comes easily overnight. It requires dedication, perseverance, and a strong work ethic. And with these qualities, you can achieve greatness and become an inspiration to others. In life, it's crucial to set goals for yourself. In whatever aspect of life, it's important to have something to strive for. Having a goal gives you direction and helps you stay focused on what's important. But setting a goal is only the first step. To achieve that goal, you need to put in the work. This means studying hard, practicing your skills, and constantly pushing yourself to improve. Remember, success doesn't just happen, it's earned through hard work and determination. I know that sometimes it can be tough to stay motivated. You may feel overwhelmed by the workload, or you might face setbacks and challenges along the way. But it's important to keep pushing forward, even when things get tough. Remember, every obstacle you overcome is a step closer to achieving your goal. And here's the thing, when you achieve your goal, you don't just benefit yourself. You become an inspiration to others around you. Your success can motivate your friends, your family, and even strangers who are watching from afar. You never know who might be looking up to you as a role model. And my message to you is this: work hard, stay focused, and never give up on your dreams. Remember, success is not something that's handed to you, it's something you earn through hard work and determination. Thank you so much for joining us today. Stay focused, keep working hard, and remember, you have the power to achieve your dreams. Until next time, keep striving for greatness. Take care.